Hi guys, it's Ian at Global Air Supplies. I've got a couple of little products for you to look at. We've been selling pH pens and EC pens from Aquamaster for ages, but people have been asking for the liquid pH test kits. I love these little test kits. They're really cheap, and it's a really easy way to quickly check your nutrient tank to make sure your pH is spot on. We've been asked to bring these back into the systems, so we brought them back into the systems. The Nutricode systems now will have these in, but we've also got these as a sellable product. So what we've got two tests. We've got the narrow spectrum and we've got the wide spectrum. Really easy to use. As you'll see here, we have the pH charts. Each one comes in a bag with the liquid testers and the little vials. All you've got to do is put 2 ml of liquid out of your nutrient tank into these vials. This is the narrow, so you just literally put 2 drops in, 1, 2, and then you do the same with the wide pH, 1, 2. All you do then is give them a quick shake. If you can see that it's coming to like a yellow, so it's between a 6 and a 7 if you look on the pH test sheet. So you just hold it up, you say, right, that's between a 6 and a 7. So remember, that's the wide one. And then when you get the narrow one, give it a quick shake. You can see that's blue, and you're looking at blue, and your blue is like a 7.4. So that means this pH on this liquid is too high, and you've got to use a liquid pH down to bring it down into the really light green range. Always try to get that light green color, which is around about 6.2, which is where most hydroponic systems need to be. So it's quite easy. Narrow spectrum, really fine, between 6 and 7.6. Then you have a wide spectrum, which is between 4 and 10. Use a wide spectrum to get roughly where you need to be. Use the narrow spectrum to find exactly what your pH is. If you need to bring it down or up, use liquid pH down or liquid pH up. Really simple product, but it's a great addition to anybody's grow. Cheers, guys.